Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these winter floral nails. We just had our first snow here in New Jersey and I'm totally in the winter spirit, but I still love doing florals, so I wanted to create a mani that I could wear this time of year. So I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. Then I'm painting my nails with this navy blue nail polish. This is Less is Norse by OPI Infinite Shine. Once that base is dry, I'm taking a white nail polish and a dotting tool and creating some slightly misshapen circles on each side of my nail. These are going to be the bases of the flowers. Then I'm doing the same thing with a yellow nail polish next to the white circles. Then I'm taking this nail art brush from What's Up Nails. It's called the 24 Dance Detail Brush, and I'm taking a gold nail polish, and next to the flowers I'm just going to create a curved line coming off of the flowers, tapering off at the end. Then with the ends of the brush I'm going to be adding some leaves on each side of the line. And just to make sure my floral pattern looks full, I'm also going to be adding some smaller gold leaves just around the flowers. Now I'm going to clean off that detail brush and then go back in with the same brush and a yellow nail polish to add some curved shapes on top of the white circles. This is just kind of to define the petal shapes on the flowers. I'm only doing this on the white flowers. These lines don't have to be perfect, and it's okay if they're kind of light like they are here because we're going to be adding another color to define it even more. Now I'm taking a burgundy red nail polish and the same detail brush, and I'm going in and adding more curved shapes on the flowers to define them. This is when the floral pattern will really start to take shape. And I'm using this red on both the white and the yellow flowers. Now again, I want to make sure this floral pattern looks really full and beautiful, so I'm taking a dotting tool and a white nail polish and just adding some tiny dots around the flowers to fill in any empty spaces. I want some of these dots to be red as well, but it doesn't show up very well over the navy blue, so now I'm just going back in with the red nail polish and covering some of those white dots with the red. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. I really love how it turned out, and I love that I can incorporate florals to any time of the year. I took some really fun pictures of these out in the snow, so if you want to see those and read more about this, you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.